wash. Look at this thing. Dust. Not washing this off. Ugh. Time to clean. All right, there we are. Super clean. I recommend this car wash. Nice, people. Let's rock it. Time for a car show. Gotta air dry. The best part. Sweet. Let's do it. I know we just washed it, but I'm rolling the windows down. Jeez. Gotta air dry, you know what I mean? Man, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like it's been forever since I've been to a car show, so I'm kind of excited. We're making all right time. It started at 9, it goes till 12, so I think my dad's meeting us over there too. I wonder what car he's gonna bring. We got a tunnel. Jesus. Sounds insane. You guys, check engine light is gone. I got an update with the whole impound thing. As you can tell, we still have all the writing from when we got impounded. I just can't bring myself to remove that. That writing was like $700, so I'm keeping it. That's like the most expensive mod I've done to this thing. Ran the check engine light. It was an O2 sensor on the passenger side. Swapped that one in, and it seems to be all right for now. This thing might just need to be tuned, honestly. Like, I don't even know. Trying to figure it out by plugging the puzzle pieces together, you know? It's pretty hard, honestly. Especially when you get no paperwork. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. But I love this thing. It's pretty awesome. Car show is right around this corner. Cannot wait. Cannot wait. Cool. Oh my God. That's crazy. Is that a speedster? Wow. Wow. All right, let's find a parking spot. Dang, that's a clean Miata. Clean Miata. I wonder if my dad's here yet. He said he was gonna come by. All right, here we are. Found a pretty good spot. Kind of a little further away from everybody just because door dings and such. I mean, car shows are like the least worrisome. As far as door dings go, none of these people want to hit their doors on anyone's car either, so it kind of works out. But I'm gonna walk around. I'm gonna look at my dad. I don't know if he's here yet. Ooh, there's a 350z over there. Maybe we should go park next to him. Should we park next to the 370z? I feel like we have to, you know? I feel like we have to. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's move over there. Made it next to 370Z. Let's get a lap in, see what we got. Best part of the day, you know? Gotta display the temporary driving permit. Gotta flex on them, you know? Temporarily here, Z-Gang. I feel like this thing already needs a paint correction. Clean. Is this a Nismo? It is. Dang. I've never driven a 370Z before. Maybe someday. Maybe someday. Damn, that's a clean one too. You guys. Those are. This thing probably moves.
Out all the stuff, and I've done the system myself and save money. What they're trying to do, fix it.
Dang, microfibers, Mr. Gold. I'm more of a chemical guys kind of dude. Yo! Hello! Dang, clean, man.
Later that same evening.
Alright, and we're back in the HR. We are not at the car show anymore. Me and my dad walked around and I just honestly forgot to film things. So, we're getting on the freeway. And how could I not film this? You know, we gotta get the windows down, put the sun visor up. There's a Kia. Oh my God. This thing is so much fun. All right, let's test this Clinton Keith Road off-ramp. If you guys live in the area, you know Clinton Keith. It's pretty popular. It's pretty popular. Let's get the windows down, AC off. All right, it's a slight right turn. Oh, it opens up here a little bit. Oh, nice. Let's get over. Oh, we can bank it really high right here. Following the Scion in. Hey, we'll take it. That's a pretty good one, I'm not gonna lie. There are better. There are definitely better. That is definitely not bad at all. The sun has gone down just a little bit, so, and we're facing the opposite direction now, so the sun shouldn't be too bad, but man, it was terrible there for a second. I took this thing to the shop the other day.
Flashback.
All right, check it out. Let's fix this. A little dirty, still looks clean, still looks clean. Mint, if I do say so myself. Let's start her up. It's not super cold, but still sounds really good. So good. The sound of my people. We are starting the process. I don't know if you remember this. Go check out my last video if you haven't seen it already. We got impounded. RSO found us. They took it away. They took our car from us only for a day. Cost quite a bit. Cost $736 to get it out of the impound lot. Do I wish I had that money still to put towards what we're gonna do today? Of course I do, of course. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So we're headed over. We're gonna drop the car off at Integrity Automotive. I've never actually been to this shop before. I love testing new shops just to see what they offer. The shops I've gone to in the past are all super specialized. So the check engine light is supposedly for the O2 sensors. So I figured an exhaust / muffler shop would be the best option. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go and drop the car off and wait for a phone call just to see what's up with this thing. I really don't know. So hopefully we get it figured out in this video, or at least in the next few videos. You guys will be first to know, but let's head over there right now. To the shop. Here we are. One of these shops. I've actually never been to this one, and it's right next to CHP, so got to be on our best behavior, you know? I'm gonna find this place real quick. I'll see you in a second. Sweet Corvette right here. Dang. Clean. Integrity. All right. Gonna pull it up. They're hopefully gonna be able to look at it today. Exciting, you guys. Who knows? Who knows what could be wrong? All right. Here we are. Dropped off. Gave them the keys. They're gonna call when they diagnose what's going on. Probably just hook it up to a code reader, see what's happening. Hopefully it's not too bad, you guys. I really hope it's not too bad. I wish I had that 750 bucks from the impound lot, I'm not gonna lie. But here we are. Dang, it looks clean, even though it's super dirty. Don't look too close. Integrity Automotive.
End of flashback.
Check engine light is gone. They reset the code. Turned out that that check engine light was for a O2 sensor on the passenger side, but so far so good. Today's the 24th of September though. I've got until September 30th to get this figured out, so that's like 6 days from now. I do miss driving the red car. I drive it off camera quite a bit just because this one freaks me out a little bit to drive sometimes. I will admit, I mean, this thing has been pretty reliable though. I mean, it still rips. It really does still rip. So I'd say it feels a little more aggressive than the rev up. The rev up feels a little more tame. It's probably just the dual throttle bodies. The exhaust is also louder, so that's probably a reason as well. Oh, we're gonna be facing the sun for a second. My eyes. Should we go from stopped? All right, right here. Like we just turned out of this road. AC off. All right, here we go. Oh my God. That is so freaking exhilarating. So it doesn't feel slow. Definitely doesn't feel slow. I don't think it would cost too much to swap an HR into this thing if it did blow, so, you know, I wouldn't be that worried. But I really don't beat on this car enough for it to blow up, so that's why I was thinking if it turns into a drift car, we'll just swap the motor and we should be good. But I kind of want to turbo this thing also. I think we turn it into a drift car, then if we blow the motor, we swap a new motor in there, or we build the block and we turbo it. Let's go back the other way. Oh my God, we're gonna be blind. Oh, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Let's go this way. Full circle. Full circle. Man, the HR is pretty crazy. We got the sun going down. We have an HR with a Megan Racing exhaust. It's just absolutely amazing. I don't think it gets better. I really don't think it gets better. I mean, maybe if we turboed it, that might be better. There it is. There's the sun. Ooh, it's in the worst possible spot. It's almost dangerous out here right now. All right, I'm still blind, so we're turning right. Been like 5 minutes of blindness and my pupils are scorched. Oh my God. Well, these are some tumbleweeds to worry about, all right? Those things are as tall as me. When those things start coming loose, I mean, I cannot imagine what it's gonna look like over here. You guys, I have a serious question right here. Like, I need a brand name and I have no idea what to call the brand. This is the hardest decision I've ever made in my life. Like, I don't know if I'm too picky or something, but I just couldn't imagine people wearing Johnny B, but maybe that's what we go with. I don't know. I'll think of something, honestly. I just have to decide, but it's really tough. It's really tough. Jesus. literally insane. One more. Oh my God. I will say the HR does feel quite a bit different than the rev up, but I don't know if it's because of the whole misfire situation, but the rev up just feels more refined. I don't know why, but I just feel like the throttle response is more accurate. This car has a little bit of like nothing happens when I push the gas pedal down for a little bit. So I can push it like this far. Look. So maybe this thing just needs to be tuned. I have no idea, but man, this thing is fun though. I think I'm gonna make a U-turn at this light. Flipping a U-turn because I'm not staring at that sun anymore. Oh man, just absolutely crazy. Ever since I put new tires on this thing, it grips really well. I'm not gonna lie. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hit the subscribe button if you did. Drop a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, where we just cruise around, enjoy the weather, and listen to the sounds that the HR makes, because, I mean, it just works. Like, the HR just sounds great, honestly. I love the way this exhaust sounds, and it just puts a smile on my face every time we accelerate. So anyways, thank you once again so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video for our next update on the 350z HR and our saga of fixing this thing. Should I contact Georgie at Unique Motorsports? I do feel like I kind of got scammed, so let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.